Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. It is the first Friday of November, and that means that I am going to share with you some beautiful artwork featuring this month's stamp of the month called Thanks a Bunch. For those of you that are VIPs, it is free with a $50 online purchase, and if you are not a VIP, it is only $5. And take a look at our VIP special that we have this month because you are going to want to join and become a VIP if you aren't currently a VIP. And we have a brand new catalog that just went live on November 1st. And oh my goodness, wait till you see the amazing projects that we have in store for you with Silver Bells. That will be our next Palooza. That will be the beginning of December. And all I'm just going to tell you is that it's all the beautiful glitz and glimmer from Shiny Sparkly Things featuring this gorgeous paper collection and this exclusive workshop that Dana is going to be sharing with you, how she stepped it up. I'm going to share with you for the card workshop the good, better, and best options that I created. And then, of course, Tina has not disappointed with her beautiful 4 double-page 12x12 layouts featuring the paper collection, the cardstock, and then these really beautiful dots. And then if that wasn't enough, we have another beautiful collection called Evergreen, and that will be our January project for our Palooza. And oh my goodness, I'm just here to tell you, you're going to want to grab this before it sells out because I have a feeling it's going to sell out. And then our mix-ins is incredible this time around. And then just take a look at all of the beautiful exclusive thin cuts, stamp sets, stencils, and embossing products that they've brought out from this catalog. I could just go on and on. It really is a fabulous catalog. This collection will be available in November. So stay tuned, it's on its way. And oh my goodness, look at these adorable little Snow Buddy Like You stamp set and thin cut, and the Happy Podula Days stamp and thin cut. Oh my word, you guys, they are so precious. Look at those little animals. They are so sweet. And then I love this slimline stencil and embossing folder, and then the coordinating stamp set to go with it. Just so much goodness in this catalog. And hello, if any of you are National Park fanatics, look at this fabulous set that they came out with featuring a few select 12 national parks. So lots of beautiful things. There is the November stamp of the month. Here is the one that's coming up for December with a coordinating thin cuts. You know that I'm going to have something fabulous to share with you for that one. And then that rounds out this fabulous catalog. But I wanted to bring your attention to the back of the annual Essentials catalog because there's a QR code here that will, when you click on it, and I'm going to just share this with you right now, when you take your phone and you hover over that and you click on that QR code, you can click that and it will take you to our specials page, and we have another fabulous gnome collection for winter. And if you just click on that link, you'll see this beautiful collection that just came out November 1st. There is a bundle. There is a fabulous stamp set with thin cut. There is a sentiment for cards. And then look at this adorable winter gnomes die. And it will make these fabulous little gnomes. Oh my goodness. And there's some really great projects for that. So I wanted to bring your attention to that as well. There are also some acrylic shapes. The bundle, the product bundle that gives you pretty much everything, it does. It gives you everything. It's 20% off. VIPs, you'll earn an additional 15% towards that purchase. And then there's a scrapbooking workshop that is also discounted and a card making workshop that is also discounted. So wanted to bring your attention to that before we get started with this fabulous stamp of the month artwork. Oh my word, I had so much fun, you guys. So not only are you going to be using the stamp set from the stamp of the month, but I fell in love with this last year, the Simple Leaves, and I taught a class on this last year that I'm going to also share with you. And it's going to teach you how to make the puddle images. And I had so much fun last year, and this set is still available. So I thought, you know what, for those of you that have not grabbed this yet, go grab it, because I'm going to show you 2 different ways to use it. And then these are some of the cards that I created that I'm going to share with you how to recreate. And this one was so much fun with a fan brush. Wait till you learn how to do that. So those projects are coming up, but this week I'm going to walk you through how to make this beautiful 2-page layout. So let's get started. So I'm going to share with you the cutting instructions and this picture, and it'll also have a link to Design Space for that title. And right now I'm also going to link the video to show you how to create those leaves. So these are just the titles that I used with the stamp of the month, and I mounted them on foam tape. Super easy, and I just loved how they accented this layout beautifully. So let's go ahead and start assembling. I'm just going to attach the photo mounts onto my photos, onto my photo mats. And then we're going to take this pumpkin paper and we are going to attach it at the 11-inch and the 1-inch mark, right flush with the right-hand side. And now I'm going to take these longer strips of pattern paper and we're going to attach them to the opposite side, leaving about 1/4 inch gap. So I'm just turning my mat over. I love this Versa mat because it helps really give you precise measurements. If you don't use a Versa mat right now for your paper crafting, I would encourage you to grab it. So that it's at the 1/4 inch mark, and now I'm going to take this mocha paper and we're just going to push that right flush up against that multi-leaf pattern paper. And then the gold glitter paper, I'm just attaching that flush as well. And so now I'm going to turn this around and we're going to go ahead and attach the photos. And they are centered on each of these sides. And then there's the title. I've got a lot of foam tape on it. You're going to love this in Design Space because it cuts all 3 layers for you. And just think of all the different possibilities that you could use for that title. I love it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the leaves that I've already stamped and attached the glitter stems on. And I'm just tucking them behind the title strategically so that they kind of hang out a little bit. They are going to hang over that one photo a little bit, but I'm okay with that because I figure I can use a picture that doesn't have a lot in it right there in the top right corner. And then I'm just attaching these titles and subtitles and then finishing up this left page with those other beautiful leaves. Oh my goodness, I had so much fun with that. And again, I have a link that will walk you through exactly how to create these. And that was a class that I taught last year. So now that we get those all stationed where we want, I'm going to use the Cozy Up dots to just place some accents around the page. If you don't have the Cozy Up dots, you can use other dots that you have. But this is what I had that I wanted to try and use up in my stash. And I just thought that that little bit of glitter on them just really made a beautiful statement. So there we are. That is the left page. And now let's start working on the right page. So I'm just picking up those supplies right now. I'm going to set those other pieces off to the side that I'm not going to use right now because we're going to get that pumpkin paper flush with the left side of the right page. So I'm just grabbing my adhesive, lining that up. I love how our paper, when you cut it like that, it mirrors on the other side, and so they match up so beautifully. And then again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that leaf paper and attach that with 1/4 inch showing on the right-hand side. And just lining that up with my Versa mat. And then we're going to take the mocha pattern paper, and that's going to go next. And then we'll finish up with the gold glitter paper. And I'm using score tape. If you guys don't have score tape, I will link that also on this guide. Love score tape. And so now I'm going to take those smaller 3x3 squares. And again, I'm going to just center those onto this pumpkin paper. And then I love taking that title and putting it onto one of our stitched fancy frame thin cuts. And then I'm using a little scrap of that stripe zip strip. And it just really accented that so nicely. So I'm just mounting that on And then I'm using some of the beige toffee Cozy Up dots to just accent on that. I just love the sparkle on them. And then we'll finish that last 3x3 photo mat. And then I will go ahead and attach these 3x4 photo mats. One's a vertical and one's a horizontal. And you're just going to kind of offset that slightly. And then we'll attach that last one. And then I'm going to take the last two titles and then the last puddle stamped leaves and accent with those titles. And I'm putting that one up in the top left-hand corner, and then I want the leaves to kind of be tucked behind that, so I'm just pulling that off a little bit because I actually want the leaves first to be attached, and then I'm going to put the title on top of that. And then the last two are going to go down here in the bottom right-hand corner. And I'm just so pleased with how this turned out. I just really loved the combination of those leaves and the November stamp of the month. And then I'm going to just finish up with some dots and just strategically place them around those leaves. They really draw the eye to them. And that's all there is to it. Now we have a 2-page layout featuring that stamp of the month.